Tonight, travel chaos as countries around the world.
Travel red list. COVID no-go zone
tries to stop the COVID spread. Before new travel restrictions go into effect, attempt to stop the spread of Omicron.
Because of the Omicron
variant in 20 countries, including the U.S.
The Netherlands is now the first country to go into a full lockdown.
Brussels, the latest European city to see unrest over the
This is Brussels tonight. This peaceful march quickly turned nasty.
More trouble.
hotspots.
Positivity rate. Take things one step at a time. You can still enjoy a social gathering.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
This place, that'll rock this place, that'll rock this place, rock this place, rock this place, rock this
Okay, now, from the beginning. rock this place, that'll rock this place, that'll rock this place, rock this place, rock this place, rock this place.
Guess what? I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.
And what I used to like a lot was on the way home, stop at a favorite bar and sit there and, have a beer and a hamburger or something and just relax.